Tired of missing key moments on the road? Meet the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Capture every detail, front and rear, in stunning 4K. Imagine driving at night with total clarity. The Sony Star-Vs 2 sensor delivers vivid night vision. No more blurry or dark footage, see every detail clearly. Commute, road trip, or daily errands. It's always recording. The front camera records at 3840x2160p, 30 fps. The rear camera captures at 1920x1080p, 30 fps. 150° ultra-wide angle up front covers more road. 140° rear angle ensures nothing escapes your view. Both cameras work together for full coverage. The f1.5 front aperture lets in more light. f1.8 rear aperture boosts brightness in low light. Drive at night? Enjoy sharp, colorful video every time? Worried about downloading videos? ROVE's ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi transfers at up to 20 Mbps. Use the ROVE app to instantly view and manage footage. Download clips directly to your phone in seconds. Share your best moments right to social media. Update firmware and settings over the air with the app. Never miss an update. Always have the latest features. Built-in GPS records your route, speed, and location. See live speed and compass on the bright 3-bars IPS screen. Review trips with GPS data using ROVE's free PC player. Perfect for evidence, insurance, or reliving your journey. Comes with a free 128GB microSD card included. Supports up to 1 TB microSD cards for endless recording. Advanced motion detection keeps your car protected. G-sensor locks important videos during sudden impacts. Seamless loop recording means you never run out of space. Emergency video lock secures crucial moments automatically. Screensaver mode keeps you focused while driving. Voice guidance makes setup and use effortless. Optional CPL filter ring reduces glare for clear footage. Supercapacitor ensures long-term reliability and safety. Custom-designed 24/7 parking mode for true peace of mind. Choose from 1 FPS time-lapse, motion, or collision detection. Parking mode records and locks 1-minute event videos. Voice alerts notify you of incidents when you return. Hardwire kit available for continuous parking protection. Stay informed and secure even when you're away. Crystal clear footage in any light, any weather. Capture license plates, signs, and faces with ease. Ideal for families, commuters, rideshare drivers, and more. Protect your vehicle and your loved ones every day. All features are designed for real-world reliability. No complicated setup, just plug in and start recording. Intuitive app design for users of all levels. Firmware updates keep your dashcam future-proof. Enjoy peace of mind on every drive. Never worry about missing crucial evidence again. The ROVE R2-4K Dual is your silent, reliable witness. Travel confidently, knowing you're fully protected. Upgrade your driving experience with advanced technology. Experience the difference of 4K and Star-Vs 2 performance. Download, share, and manage videos instantly via Wi-Fi. Keep your journeys safe, secure, and documented. See the road ahead and behind, always. Get more coverage with ultra-wide angle lenses. Record day and night with unmatched clarity. Built to last with supercapacitor power. Voice guidance makes operations simple and stress-free. Event folder keeps crucial videos safe from deletion. Share your adventures or protect yourself in disputes. Don't settle for basic dash cams. Choose ROVE. Enjoy premium features without the premium price. Ready to upgrade your car's security and tech? Get the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam today. Drive smarter, safer, and with total confidence. So there you have it, the ROVE R2-4K Dual front and rear dash cam with my night vision isn't just another gadget. It's your smart co-pilot on every trip. Whether you're driving through the city, parked at night, or capturing a beautiful sunset road trip, this dashcam has your back in full clarity. You'll find the link to the product in the description below, so go check it out and grab yours before it sells out. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more real reviews on the best tech and car accessories. Until next time, drive safe, stay protected, and stay savvy. Peace out.